If you are experiencing sluggish performance, connectivity issues, software glitches, frozen applications, IP address conflicts, or need to update settings, a simple solution can be to reboot devices in the network. Instead of manually rebooting them, which can be time-consuming and disruptive, the Cisco Business Dashboard, CBD, allows you to remotely power cycle PoE devices right from your desk. By using the Toggle PoE Power feature, you can quickly and efficiently restart devices, ensuring minimal downtime and keeping your business running smoothly. This capability is particularly beneficial in troubleshooting scenarios, where a simple restart can resolve many network issues. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to use the Toggle Power over Ethernet PoE Power feature in CBD. Next. Log into the user interface for your CBD instance. For this demonstration, I'm using CBD version 2.9.0, which was the latest available at the time of filming. Select a network. The Topology tab displays the Cisco Business class devices deployed on it. Select one, and under the Actions tab, you can see several tasks you can perform, including configuration backups, uploading firmware, restoring configurations, and rebooting devices. Under the Overview tab, you can view details of that device, including switch port usage, running services, and other relevant device data. The feature that is the focus today, Toggle PoE, is not located there. Instead, it can be found in the Provisions section under Port Management. Once open, you will see the front panels of the connected switches on the network. From here, you can select and manage any switch port as well as its connected device. For example, I'll select port 5 on this CBS 350 switch to view details such as the MAC address configured on the port, the connected device, port speed, byte transfer rate, and all relevant information about port authentication and VLAN settings. Scrolling down, you can see the options to create a VLAN or select from existing VLANs as well. Down further is the display of the PoE status. Under the Actions tab is the option to Toggle PoE Power. This is where you can power cycle an attached PoE device on a specific port. For instance, on this port, I have a Cisco 8865 IP phone with a MAC address ending in 2826 connected to my network on this port. To demonstrate the feature, I'll start a ping to this phone and then navigate to the Cisco Business Dashboard. Under the Actions menu, click on the Toggle PoE Power option. This action successfully toggles the PoE power on the selected switch port, which should be reflected in the ping results. As expected, it shows the request timed out, indicating that the connected phone has been power cycled. It will take some time to reboot. Once the phone completes its reboot process, you'll see the reachability return and the phone's graphical user interface become accessible. It's important to note that for Cisco Business Wireless access points, the reboot process takes longer than it does for IP phones. That's all there is to it. CBD keeps network tasks simple, and now you know how to use Toggle PoE to save you time, enhance productivity, and ensure your network devices are always performing at their best. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.